What's up, guys? Popping my back with another wave video. Today we be talking about the top 5 bad habits and mistakes. I'm sorry, I gotta use the bathroom, man. Hold, take. What's up, guys? Popping my back with another wave video. Today we be talking about the top 5 mistakes and bad habits beginner wavers make, man. These, these mistakes and bad habits is hindering you from getting the waves that you want, man. I used to make these bad habits. I'm somewhat still making these bad habits. I'm a beginner waver like y'all, man. So without further ado, we're gonna get right into this video. Number 5 is wearing your durag for 24 hours. Please, 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 this is unnecessary. There's no need for you to be wearing your durag for 24 hours. In order for you to get waves, you have to take your durag off and brush your hair. So actually, I'm gonna lead by example and show y'all what I'm looking like right now. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm looking like right now, man. I'm at the 8-week mark of woofing. I hope my camera's gonna be nice to me. I still don't really know how to use this, and I hope it's gonna focus on my head so y'all can really see my dome. Alright, give y'all a little spin. You with me? You tracking? You with me? I hope y'all can see the back of my dome. Man, that's what I'm looking like, man. I hope y'all can. Matter of fact, let me get some better light up here. Let me get y'all some better light of what my dome looking like. Get y'all some better light. I'm at the 8-week mark, and this is what my dome looking like. 8-week mark of woofing, man. This is what we looking like, ladies and gents. This what we look like. Oh, don't mind the TV, man. I just moved into this apartment. It's still not fully furnished, so I was just showing y'all my 8-week mark. Alright, guys, so for reason number 4, which is, hold up, let me check my phone, double check. Reason number 4 is focusing on the front too much. When you first get your waves, you're like, oh, I'm icy, but you're focusing on the front too much. I would say focus more on the sides and the back. Yeah, people want to see the front, that's why you want to focus on the front a lot, but the front is going to come. Like, the front is the first part of the wave. It's like the first beginning stage of waves, so I feel like beginner wavers, they focus too much on the front and don't put enough time and effort onto the sides and the back of their head, man. Like, just as much time you spend on the front of your head, you should be putting that same maximum effort in the back of your head. And like I said, I still have the habit of just brushing the front of my head when the front of my head already looks decent. I need to be brushing more on the back. Is my camera being nice to me? I hope it's focusing. You need, like, I even fall into the habit of myself. Like I said, I'll be brushing more of the front of my head than the back, and it's a bad habit, man, because you want to spend as much time on the other parts of your head. Like, the front is the first thing that comes. So once you get that in, focus on something else. Focus on your sides. Focus on your back. Focus on your weak side. My weak side is my right side. So as much time I spend on brushing the front of my head, I need to do the same for my right side. You want to spend an equal amount of time brushing each side of your head, man. And that's my reason number 4. So number 3, man. Number 3 is thinking that this is gonna happen overnight, man. And it's not gonna happen overnight. This is a process, this is a process, this is a process. I'm on week 8, man. And I'm gonna be honest with you, man. I've been slacking this week. I've really been slacking. I've been slacking. I haven't been getting my 5 to 5 hours of brushing a day like I used to do. It's been a bad week and a half for me, and I'm getting back on my groove, man. But thinking this thing is coming overnight, it's totally like, we beginner wavers, we brush for 2 weeks, we don't see progress, we say F this, man, I'm giving up, I'm going back to that bummy looking hair that I got. And it's okay, man. It's okay. Just have patience, have patience, have patience. I would say give your head the first month. If you don't see waves by then, you know, watch some more videos. Reach out, man. We'll get you together. But a maximum of a month, you should have riffles in your hair. I don't see why you won't have riffles in the first couple of weeks, but in the first month, you should have a decent amount of waves in your head. Like, but that's basically the third reason, thinking that this is gonna happen overnight when it's all in reality not. This is just like everything else in life. You gotta work for it, man. You think Kobe became Kobe overnight? That man was shooting in the gym. Just like I'm in the bathroom shooting on these waves, man. It's not happening overnight. You gotta brush, 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 man. Probably messing my head doing that. But you gotta brush, you gotta put in that brush work. And when you put in that brush work, you see results. I know y'all probably like, yo, why is this guy even talking? His waves not even popping. But I'm gonna get there, man. So this is a progress. Trust the process, man. This is a progress. Trust the process. Man, I can't talk. This is a process. Trust the process. Okay? I'm going to get there. And right now, I'm on 8 weeks of woofing. So my head's looking a little dingy right now. But it's alright. It's alright. And that's reason number 3. Alright guys, so now we have reason number 2. And reason number 2 is thinking that pomades, moisturizer, and oil is the sole purpose, is the sole reason you're gonna get waves. No. The only way you're gonna get waves is by brushing. Now these moisturizers, pomade, and oils, yes they help, but don't rely heavy on it. Don't rely so much on these enhancements on giving you waves. You still, at the end of the day, you still have to brush your hair. I repeat, you still have to brush your hair. Don't just put on some moisturizers, don't just put on some oils, don't just put on some grease and be like, I'm wavy. No, it don't work like that, man. Yeah, put that stuff in, but put that brushing in. And to be honest with y'all, you probably like, boy, head looking dry as hell. But I'll be putting that brush in it. So I don't really use too much. I'm hoping my joint gonna focus so y'all can see my chrome dome, but I don't use too much oils and moisturizer. I don't rely heavily on it. I might put some stuff in my head maybe twice out the week, but I'm still brushing an hour. I try to get up to 5 hours. That's kind of like, I was pushing it them first 2 weeks. That's how I guess I progressed so fast, but I need to get back on that if I want to be where I want to be. But up until these 8 weeks of me brushing, I haven't really relied heavily on moisturizers, pomade, grease, whatever you want to call it, or oils. Maybe I should now because I'm getting up to the stage where my head just don't want to lay down. But don't think you need to hop on products right away for you to get the waves that you want. It just don't work like that. You have to brush, you have to brush, you have to brush. I'm done on this reason. Now it's time to hit the last and final reason. The reason number 1. So we're gonna go right into that. Hey, if you still watching, I appreciate it. We just made it to the last and final reason. The last and final mistakes, habits, beginner wearers make. The mistakes, I honestly am slowly waning out. It's like, it's a bad habit. I'm trying to get it off me. It's a bad habit. But this is the last and final reason. And that's basically not being realistic with your hair, man. I know you see these people like Sir Cruz 360 Jeezy and be like, all right, I want to get my waves like theirs. Yes, you can get the you can get waves like them, but at the end of the day, you're never gonna have the same hair texture as them. Everybody has different type of hair texture, so you have to be realistic and know what type of hair you have and get your hair cut to your appropriate hair. So with that being said, just be realistic with yourself. I know you see these people on Instagram like, I want my waves to look like that, but at the end of the day, you gotta be realistic and be like, all right, I know what type of hair I have. I know what type of waves I can get. It's the truth, man. Like, I don't have that type of hair on my head, whereas though, like, I would say coarse curly hair. Like it just my hair is weird, but I don't think I have straight hair. Straight, whatever. I don't have that type of hair, so just be realistic. Know what type of hair you have. Take the time to get to know your hair, man. Get your hair cut to the right length so you know when to start. Like, you'll know when your waves is activated if you have your hair cut to the right length. If you have coarse hair, you want to get your hair cut to a 1 or 1.5. Like I said, I basically fall in that category, but I get my hair cut around a 1.5 and a 2. I don't like getting my hair cut all the way down to a 1, and I honestly don't like getting my hair cut to a 1.5. So most of the time I sit in that 2 range, even though I don't. See, I'm like, my hair is like in limbo. Like, it don't fall in the category. I guess you could say my hair is medium. So if it's medium, get it cut at a 2. If it's straight, I would say get it cut at a 2 or a 2.5. Not no 2 like the same as the 2 as the medium. Whatever, man, y'all get what I'm saying. But that was the last final reason. This is why your hair might still be on the standstill. These are the mistakes, the bad habits beginner wavers make. The mistakes I used to make, I'm somewhat still making. Just take that time brushing, man. If you want to get waves, if you're a beginner waver, I'm on week 8 of woofing and waving. I'm trying to get to and in 2 weeks I'll be getting a haircut. So at week 10 I'm gonna get a haircut. Only reason I was trying to make it to week 11, but I got plans going on, so, and I got somewhere to go, so I want to look nice for that. I don't want to just get a shape up. I want to cut it up, and I want to see what my progress look like. I want to see how everything's going up in here. Hopefully I did put enough work in. Like I said, this last week and a half I've really been slacking. I gotta catch up. That just means I gotta put extra brushing in up until these next 2 weeks. But if you still, like I said, if you were still watching with a video, I appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. This video was real bad. I'm sorry, man, but if you made it all the way to this point, I really appreciate it. Give me advice. I take constructive criticism. Like I said, I can't talk, man. Y'all gonna get used to that soon. Y'all gonna start talking my lingo, man. You're gonna start talking like Papa Mar, man. It's cool. I'm done rambling. I'm done rambling. Mama, please.